Pseudoscience is a term that refers to any idea or belief that masquerades as science but does not adhere to the principles and practices of scientific inquiry. Pseudoscience can take many forms, from claims about the healing powers of crystals to the existence of extraterrestrial beings. While pseudoscience may sound like harmless fun, it can have serious consequences, as it can mislead people and distract from real scientific understanding. In this video, we will explore the characteristics of pseudoscience, examine some common examples, and discuss why it's important to be skeptical and critical when evaluating claims. One of the key characteristics of pseudoscience is that it often relies on anecdotal evidence or personal testimonials, rather than rigorous scientific experimentation and data analysis. For example, someone may claim that a certain type of crystal has healing powers because they experienced a perceived benefit after using it. However, this type of evidence is unreliable, as it is subject to a number of biases and cannot be verified through scientific testing. Another common trait of pseudoscience is that it often relies on logical fallacies or oversimplified explanations to support its claims. For example, someone may argue that a particular product can cure cancer because it contains a specific type of plant extract, without considering the complex and multifaceted nature of cancer and its treatment. This type of reasoning is called a false cause fallacy, as it suggests that there is a simple cause and effect relationship between the product and the cure, when in reality the relationship is likely much more complex. Pseudoscience can also be characterized by its resistance to scientific scrutiny and criticism. Rather than subjecting their ideas to peer review and the scientific method, proponents of pseudoscience may dismiss any criticism as conspiracy or persecution. This is often referred to as the ad hominem fallacy, as it attacks the critic rather than addressing the substance of their argument. There are many examples of pseudoscience, ranging from the mundane to the bizarre. Some common examples include alternative medicine practices, such as acupuncture and homeopathy, are not supported by scientific evidence but are marketed as effective treatments. Claims about the existence of extraterrestrial beings or ancient civilizations are often based on insufficient or cherry-picked evidence. The idea that vaccines are harmful or cause autism has been thoroughly debunked by scientific research but continues to be promoted by some groups. The belief in energy healing, or the power of positive thinking to cure illness, may give people false hope and discourage them from seeking proper medical treatment. It's important to be skeptical and critical when evaluating claims, especially when it comes to pseudoscience. While it's okay to have an open mind, it's important to be mindful of the scientific process and the role that evidence plays in supporting or refuting a claim. This is especially important when it comes to matters of health and well-being, as relying on pseudoscience can have serious consequences. So how can you spot pseudoscience? Here are a few tips. Look for scientific evidence. Does peer-reviewed research support the claim? Is the evidence consistent and replicable? Be wary of anecdotal evidence. While personal stories can be compelling, they are not always reliable indicators of what is true. Check the credentials of the person making the claim. Do they have expertise in the field they are discussing? Consider the source of the information. Is the claim being made by a reputable source or a company with a vested interest in promoting the product or idea? Use common sense. Does the claim seem too good to be true? Does it contradict established scientific principles? By following these tips, you can protect yourself from falling victim to pseudoscience and make informed decisions about your health and well-being. Thanks for watching. Stay skeptical and stay scientific. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support and we'll see you in the next one.